So today we'll see about threads and multi-threading. So what is thread? A process is divided into number of lightweight processes. See, this topic, thread and multi-threading, is not so important for GATE, but in previous year I have seen some previous year GATE question paper, they have asked about kernel level thread and user level thread. So before understanding about kernel level thread and user level thread, you have to understand about thread and multi-threading. What is thread and what is multi-threading? So what is threads? A process divided into number of lightweight process. Means there's a process which is divided into number of lightweight process. By seeing the diagram, we'll understand betterly. See, this is a diagram of thread. See, this is a diagram of process. This is called process, and this is the thread. This is the first stack of thread. This is the second stack of thread. Here can be another. See, here can be many. So when we study multi-threading, here there can be many means thread stack. Here can be many more thread in the process. So this is called this is thread 1. You can name it thread 1, and this is about thread 2, and this is the stack of thread. Means the stack of thread. See, within a process there is a thread. So we have seen about process, but we have not seen about thread. See, means within a process only thread lies. This is stack of thread. See, in process we have seen the life cycles of a process. So here also there is a life cycle of thread. See, it is similar to process only, but one will be new. See, bound state. Bound state means a process means a thread is created, a new thread is created. Ready state means we have seen process. What about ready state? Means a process running on ready state, then it will go to run state. Similarly, it also happens in ready state. Means it is runs in main memory. It is runs in main memory, lies in main memory. Then it go to running state. It is similar to the process only. See, bound state means a new thread is created, then ready state, running state. Block state we have studied only in process. Similar thing. The sleeping, it is new to thread. So we have not seen about sleeping. We have seen about a block in process, but we have not seen about a sleeping state in thread in process. So what happens in sleeping? In sleeping means a thread. See, this is a thread. Means within a process, a thread will expire for some interval of time. A thread will expire for some interval of time. Then it will be available on ready state. See, I repeat, means in sleeping state what happens? A thread will expire. It will expire for some interval of time. Means for some, you can say so, for some period of time also. Then it will be available again on ready state. Then dead state means execution will finished. Means the end of the execution. Means thread will execute until completely. Now we'll see about multi-threading. See, what about multi-threading? Multi-threading is a process is divided into number of smaller tasks. Each task is called a thread. We have seen here. Now what is multi-threading? Number of threads within a process executed at a time called multi-threading. What does it mean? Number of thread means within a process. Means there are many threads are lying within a process. It is called multi-threading. It's called multi-threading. Means many processes. Multi-threading is divided into many. See, multi-threading is divided into 4 types. One is, it is one process, one thread. One process, one thread. It is one process, many thread. One process, many thread. See, I have drawn many threads. One process and many threads. Then we have multiple process, one thread per process. There, see, it is one process, one thread. It is one process, many thread, and it is multiple process and one thread per process. See, here means we have not shown. See, it is a multiple process. This box represents multiple process, and means per process represent one thread. And the next one is multiple process, multiple thread. See, this box represent multiple process, and it represent what means this represent multiple process, one thread per process. Means one thread represent only one process. One thread will take only one process, but here multiple process will take multiple thread. So here will be many thread. We can draw many thread. See, here you can draw, it will lie many thread will be there. So this is multi-threading is divided into 4 types. means one process, one thread, one process, many thread, multiple process, one thread per process, and multiple process, multiple thread. So this is about multi-threading. This is about multi-threading. So next we will see about kernel level threading and user level threading. This is very important for gate. In next video we'll see about after kernel level and user level thread. We will see about some gate questions which come on kernel level and user level thread. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.